I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can disable direct messages on Instagram. For that, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon, which is on top right. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Go to settings. Then tap on privacy. Under interactions, there you'll see the option of messages. Tap on it. Under potential connection, there you'll see the option of your follower on Instagram. Tap on it. Then select Don't Receive Request. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. If you are sure you want to turn off requests from others on Instagram, tap on Update Settings. This way you can disable direct messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.